They're not gonna let us in. Assholes.
Alright, let's go see how close our office is to Doom.
Yeah, I know.
Hooray!
Super
Doom!
excited.
I'm gonna go inside Parkville, like inside the park.
Oh yeah, let's.
Like right there where the boat ramp is.
Look at those people walking. They're gonna die. Get back to the car. This place is booming.
Yeah, it is. Why are you all here? You're about to drown. Get some of that beautiful beam footage. I'm gonna look it up when we get back.
That's Firehouse 1 right there.
That's the first one.
Yeah.
It's the very first firehouse.
Oh, Parkville was founded by George S. Park.
Oh, that's interesting.
Well, that guy ran a stoplight or a stop sign, so don't feel bad.
Okay. I felt a little.
We should take bets on how soon we're gonna not be able to get to work or out of work.
Yeah. I mean, fucking hell. Do you think that we should take the route that we took last time?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Sorry, people.
Oh, the marina. Oh, the marina's gone. Oh, wow, look at that.
Whoa! It's up to the train. Oh my gosh. Oh, Parkville. Oh, Parkville.
Oh, no.
Remember when you existed?
Right.
Oh, it's so funny.
Wow.
This was all park for all of our
It
viewing
is
audience.
park. There's monuments,
underneath of it,
water fountains.
Yeah, there underneath of this is an actual legitimate
Oh yeah,
park.
it is right up to the
Everything.
base of the
railroad tracks.
railroad tracks. Yeah.
Actually, where are the railroad tracks? They're
We
gone
can't
now.
see them from here. I could briefly see them right when I started saying that.
Okay, but does that mean that they're still not underwater?
Yeah, the railroad tracks, the base of them starts at
You
where the
can
water
see
is.
light-
Wow, look at those light poles. That's amazing.
Look at the bridge. It's under.
The bridge is underwater.
Oh my gosh.
That's awesome.
Is there a reason we're just stopped?
Yeah, there's a stop sign.
Okay, so we're all just looking at it, or
They know. Look at all. They know these looky-loos are all coming out.
there's some people over there. I
Yeah.
wonder if we can get out and go over there. What do you think?
I guarantee we can.
All right.
I don't see any. That's right. Oh, well, we can't go anywhere. I have to go over there. Were they going to tell us not to go back across? Oh, this is what we call rolled ankle ridge.
For you.
Oh, are you sure-footed over here?
Yeah.
The rocks I step on don't
That's what
twist
I'm
my
known
ankle.
for, actually.
It's being sure-footed. Oh, I know. Do-do-do-do-do.
Are you getting all that?
Yeah, so a friend of mine has a 360 camera. That's what I texted you.
Oh, yeah. I was looking at that, actually.
So
That was a good video, though.
here in Missouri, most of the lakes are man-made. So this just looks like a lake.
Right.
Like, oh, that's what lakes look like. There's no lake here.
Yeah, this isn't.
We don't have
Actually,
lakes.
none of this is supposed to be water.
No, this is
This is all supposed to be ground.
here in Parkville. There are no lakes.
There wasn't supposed to be water until over on the other side of those blue
Holy crap, that's the dog
That's the
park
dog
road.
park,
Holy
yep.
shit, the dog park's gone. Oh, I hope all the doggies got out. We sure took the long way around.
Yeah, we sure did, but we still beat them.
In this race of life, we beat you to the flood. Anyway, so I suggested to him that he come up here, and he said he might be heading up today. But now that there's no access to the farmer's market, I don't know.
Well, you might want to tell him
I don't know that he's
to
going
park in some private.
Oh, he is definitely resourceful. Yeah, those green buildings out there. How far are those? Well, there's like...
You know
Well,
what?
that tree line out there is the edge of the river. That is insane.
So it's on the other side of the tree line from those.
Yeah.
Was the edge of the river. That's all gone now.
Wow.
I wonder how soggy those little
I wonder
land
how...
masses are right there.
I bet those aren't land masses. I bet that's just debris.
Oh, so pretty soggy, huh?
So pretty soggy. Yeah. Oh, look at that little cone sticking out of the water. I wonder if they've evacuated. Like, at what point are you like, well, we don't live here right now? Like today, I would come out and say, tomorrow I can't live here anymore.
Yeah.
So
The
I was
Parks and Rec.
talking to John the last time we were here on Tuesday, and I was like, what if you fell asleep like in that Parks and Rec building, and then you woke up and
And you're stuck in the
You're
Parks
stuck
and Rec
out there.
building. That's funny. The Parks and Rec building for our at-home audience is that. Let's see if you can point to it on the camera. And it's basically a tree house.
built on top of a hill?
Yeah, it's a tree house, and it's built. There's part of it is in a tree. It's a tree house.
Yeah.
It's like a legitimate building that is also a tree house.
This camera has zooms. Did you know that?
I didn't. Clearly, I am not the cameraman. I am only the camera owner. But, yeah, I imagine that would be a problem where somebody's like, somebody better call Johnny. Wake his ass up.
Somebody, well, we were also talking about how funny it would be to not call him.
And just be like, sucker.
Right.
That has police lights. Wow. Goodness. It's a better view of the river right now. Oh, okay. Poor people.
That is, well, the poor people are the ones that don't have sandbags.
Right, but unfortunate.
I know.
Yeah, look at these people. They piled some stuff up. Some gravel.
Yeah, I mean, you can't afford bags, but you got the gravel.
Right.
Go
That
left here,
because-
because you're not supposed to turn left from that stop sign. Right there.
Here?
Yep, right here.
If they let me.
You can do it.
Thank you.
New taco deli. Order now with the very Grubhub app.
Hold on, what's a deli very?
It says delivery.
All these
Here, we'll get a nice zoom in
cultured
on the sign. It says
art.
fine art. Thank you. Look at these uncultured
these.
swine. It's got a giant flood wall around it. Oh, it's and it's holding the water out actually.
Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff that's getting in the back. Jesus.
I wonder if they've closed the flood wall yet. Probably not.
I don't think so.
So I guess they truck these flood walls in?
Yeah, it looks like it. When you said that the other day, it made sense.
Well, there's that flood wall. They haven't shut it yet.